Hello dear friends, today I'd like to share to you how to make the open-end nylon zipper, such this model. Pin box made by zinc and the top stop made by aluminum top stop, and this is the zinc slider. Okay, it's very simple, just need 7 sets machine. So now let's see from the at the beginning. So first you need 1 set gapping machine. And second, you need a field sealing machine to make the field before the hole punching. And third is a hole punching. And fourth is a pin box fixing. Fifth is a slider mounting. And sixth is top stop fixing by aluminum wire. And seven is cutting. So it's very simple. And page our catalog 26. You can see the details from here also. We have many models for your choosing. And we also supplying the raw material. You need to buy the long chain zipper and the transparent fill or the fabric fill to make the fill. And you need the pin box. We have a different model. We have the standard model and the YKK model and some special model if you want to make for your own model. We also can open the mold for you. And the slider, you need different slider with different fancy puller we can make. And the aluminum top stop wire you need. Okay. And why we put the ultrasonic top stop wire here? Because some customer they use this transparent top stop. Like the raw material is this one. Okay. And you see the aluminum, the wire is like this. This is the transparent fill. And pin box I didn't carry to here, but you can see it's similar like this. Okay, so that is all the material to make this open end zipper. So about the video, you can see we have many video. First is the gapping machines, field sealing, hole punching, pin box fixing, slider mounting, top stop fixing, cutting. Okay, so now let me show.
This is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper double trimming machine. Let's see the gapping result. You can see the gapping is very clean. This is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper ultrasonic field sealing machine. Now we can test the fixing result. Now we can see the field sealing is very well. This is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper hole punching machine and hole punching here. So now you can see the result. You can see the hole punching is very clean. This is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper pin box fixing machine. So you can see the zipper will go through the wheel and fixing here. So now we can see the fixing result. It is very well. Hi, this is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper slider mounting machine, and the slider is coming here. You can see the slider mounting is very well. This is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper topper stop machine by aluminum topper stop wire, and the zipper will come out here. So let's check the result. You can see the topper stop fixing is very well. Thank you. Hi, this is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper open end cutting machine. The zipper goes through here and come in here, and then we'll cut in here. Let's see the result.
If you need to get more details about the machines or the material, you're welcome to contact us. In this one, had this drawing with the automatical and the semi-auto for your choosing. So just now I used a simple one to explain to you, because normally customer buy this 7 set standard machine. So if you want to get more details about our QLQ open and nylon finish zipper machines and raw materials, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.